and this is session is 1. Okay, today class session is 1. So last year I had given the good practice in where Varnamala letters. How you have learned one single letter, isn't it? Only one single letter I gave the practice, and you wrote like single letter with along with the pictures I gave the practice. So there is no matra while writing in your classwork. When you are saying without matra words only I taught you, isn't it? Okay. Had you understand what I mean to say? Okay. See, listen children. Last year I taught you without any matra words. Okay. There is no matra. Matra के बिना मात्रा वाले शब्द आपको सिखाए. So हिंदी आपको आता है ना, समझ सकते हैं आप लोग. मैं जब हिंदी में कुछ बात करूंगी तो आप लोग समझना पड़ेगा. Now you came for class second. Okay children. Now listen children. Now I am going to teach you again Atugnya Varnamala letters. All the Varnamala letters I'll write on the board. How to write, and you know how to write on the line, isn't it? Finger gap space and touch the line and write. And you should not write below the line. And I will show you what is the upper line, where to write, how to write, everything I'll show you on the board. Just you write very neat handwriting. Okay. And last year you remember how you used to write the letters, isn't it? And the way of writing letters should be very neat. And keep finger gap space and write children. Okay. Okay. Now you have to remember all the letters. You can able to write without saying. Can you able to write? Okay. You can able to write. You know all the letters. How do you remember? Okay. So might be you have remember all the rhymes, whatever I taught you. Okay. Now each and every letter I teach you the rhyme, isn't it? Now today we came to which class now? Class 2, isn't it? So here no rhymes, but we will give you the writing practice skills more. How to write, how to frame the words, and how we have to pronounce the word in along with matraing. Matraing is very far to learn, okay? But right now I will teach you only without any matra words children. Okay, fine. Okay, first let me do the practice of writing Varnamala letters. How to write and how to frame the letters. Okay, now let me start. Now look at here, look at the board all of you. Please children, first I will show you the rough copy. Look at here. I will draw some lines. Avoid writing the letters below the line. This is the below the line. Don't write like this. Don't scribble. This is wrong. Okay. You should not write mid of the line, or you don't touch to the second line. Whenever you start, touch the first line. Listen here. This is your first line. Okay. Now this is a. What is this? A. Okay. Finger gap space. Again, a से आम. पहला अक्षर अ से अनार, आ से आम. Finger gap space, ई से इमली. Okay. Finger gap space, ई से ईख. Place the finger gap children. Okay. ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, री से ऋषि. And don't spell the word ru. You should not say ru. It is ri. Okay. What to say? It is ri. Ri letter. Okay. Once again. This is u. U se ullu. U se un. Ri se rishi. Now come to the next line. Then you don't continue there. You can start from again below the letter a. This is a se ad. I se ainak. ओ से ओखली, औ से औषध, औ से औषध, अम से अंगूर, अम से अंगूर, आहा से खाली. Now see here please children, I will show you the difference how to write the strokes. Be careful while writing I, O, Au, and aha. Teacher, what is the difference, teacher? You may ask, isn't it? I'll show you what is the problem. See, whenever you write I letter, no, please children, whenever you are writing I, look at the stroke. This is A, isn't it? Your stroke should be in the correct exactly on the top of the line. Listen here, this is I. Please don't place a stroke in between the letter like this. If you place it here or you are doing on the first line, to the when the letter start begins, don't place it here. This is wrong. Understand? Don't scribble. This is the I. This is I. Okay, fine. The next letter is O. Okay, comes the letter is next O. Okay, don't draw any butterfly wings. Just I will show you. You write the letter as it is like A. How to place O letter stroke to the last line. Okay, this is the O. This is O. But some children, what they will do, they will give the line like this in the mid of the letter. Or they will write it, they will scribble like this. No. Or else this stroke will come to the last line out of the letter. What is this? These all strokes are wrong. Please follow this letter. How to write? Okay, write next letter. Ow. How to write ow letter? See, once again I will show you. How to write the ow letter stroke? Exactly. Same as it is like how you wrote the say arm letter. No? Same. And you write that this is ow. Okay. This is the correct way. But some children, what they will do? They will place here one letter, one stroke. No, this is wrong. Either you should not turn one in right, one in left. What is this? This is also wrong. So many mistakes, blunder mistakes they will do. I know that. They will write so very, very fast and they will write, how you know that? One will be like this, one will be like this. No. Please avoid writing all this mistakes. Okay. Do write in the correct way, correct stroke. Then I can give. For no, just you place the dot. That is enough. Don't make it circle like this. Just write the letter and place the dot. For aha also, a letter, only 2 dots. Don't circle it like this. Okay? That is wrong. तो देखो अभी फिर से मैं बता रही हूँ आपको. अ से अनार. नेक्स्ट अक्षर कौन सा अक्षर है? आ से आम. ई से इमली. ई से ईख. ऊ से उल्लू. E say Imali stroke also you should have to follow. Small line. Then you curve it like S and bring it down. This is E. Okay. When you write U, that is very easy you may think. But you write very carefully. Then don't drag the line. Such a big line. The letter is only single letter, isn't it? There is no matra for this letter. So just you turn it. Okay. Curve it and give a one small line. That is enough. Don't drag the line for the above the U letter. Okay. For E, when you write E letter, E say eek, you should have to give. Listen here, all of you. Small line. Then you give the circle letter. Okay. Curve it. Small line. Then second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke, fifth stroke. Is it clear, all of you? So please, all those mistakes, I had shown you the differences. Avoid writing in the middle of the line. Okay. And don't do any mistakes. I had shown you. Once again, I will show you this class. से aha, how to write. Okay. कैसा लिखना आपको बताती. कोई गलती मत करो लिखते समय. वापस ये गलती आप मत करो. बार बार आपको समझा रहे हूँ. बहुत आराम से लिखना है आप सभी को. समझे? Everyone should write very neat handwriting, correct manner, correct way, correct procedure. Okay. Now listen here. No, this is the basic class I am teaching you once again. Okay. So write, complete the letters. How many letters are there in A to aha? A से aha कितने अक्षर है इसमें बताओ? कितने अक्षर है गिनते? चलो गिनेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 अक्षर. 13 अक्षर means 13 letters in English. 1, A, 2, E, 3, E, 4th letter. U, 5th letter. U, 6th letter. Re, it's a 7th letter. A, 8th letter. I, 9th letter. O, 10th letter. Au, 11, 12, and the last letter is aha, 13. So, how many letters are there in A to aha? 13 letters are there. Please remind it. Okay, don't forget. So, A. You will get double sound. E. And here your sound is getting, again you have to come down. E. Again drag the letter. E. Again come down. O. Short sound. One big sound, you are dragging the sound. One again, just your sound should be very less. O. Ooh. Re. You don't drag the re. Re. Again you don't have re. Only re. Okay, stop there. Here in Telugu you have A, but in Hindi we have only one single tone. That is which letter? A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay children, are you follow me? Okay. Now the next one, now we are going to start. So this is called swar letters. Okay. So swar का मतलब क्या? स्वर का मतलब क्या है? स्वर क्या है? So we have in Varnamala, we have 3 different steps. Just I am teaching you orally, don't think. And you don't be confused what is swar, what is vyanjan, what is samyuktakshar. You might don't know, you don't have any idea about those, but just generally I am talking about this in the oral session. Okay. So we had learned first swar letters. Now we are getting into what? Vyanjan. Vyanjan, what are the letters? Which letters are called as Vyanjan? I will show you. See here, look at here. Now, Ka. Ka से क्या बन गया? Kamal. Okay. Please children, for Kha, do the, whenever you writing Kha stroke, write very carefully. Okay. Kha. This is Ga. This is Gha. And this is finger gap space children. Please don't leave a line. Continue. After A to Ha, leave a line. Okay. For this you should have to leave the line. Then after that you write. Start from the margin line. Okay. Now the next one. Again don't leave a line. Without leaving a line you start. Ka se kamal. Kha se khargosh. Ga se gamla. Gha se ghada. Ni se khali. Okay. The next letter is Ch. Now how we are going to write Ch? Now listen here. This is Ch. Ch se chammach. अब ये बन गया छ से छतरी. ये क्या है? छ से छतरी. छतरी मीन्स अम्ब्रेला. छतरी का मतलब क्या? छाता. अम्ब्रेला इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? अम्ब्रेला. ज से जड़. जड़ मीन्स रूट. We have so many pictures in j. J से जग, j से जड़, isn't it? j से जहाज, ship. But now we learn, we can select any picture. J से जग either or j से जहाज, anything. Okay. The next letter is jh, big sound. Jh से झंडा और झश. Understand? नी से खाली. नी से खाली. See, look at the letters, how I am writing on the board. Please don't write very rubbish and clumsy way. Place the finger gap. Follow the rows, how I am writing. Each and every row you have to follow. Okay. And look at the strokes. Don't write very dirty way. Again, this class, again I will repeat for 3 days. Those class will go for 3 days. Because until unless you don't know the way of writing, I can't go for the next class. Okay, children? The third row, first row completed. I will show you. First letter is little finger. Take down, record your little finger, left hand. K. Second letter, K. Take out the sound. K. Third, less sound. G. Fourth, G. Again stress the letter. G. Fifth letter is Ni. Over. So first row, how many letters you got? K. K. G. G, Ni. 5 letters. Okay, first row, 5 letters. Okay. Second row, again, Ch, small sound, stress it, second letter, Ch. Come on, stress it, Ch. Third letter, J. Fourth letter, J. Fifth letter ni. Okay. Now third row. We'll come to third row. That is ta. Ta say tomato. Tha say thatera. Please don't keep any dot in the middle of the letter. It is not a Telugu letter. Okay, it's a Hindi letter. Some children they used to place one dot in the middle. That is wrong. Please don't place any dot in the middle of the letter. Tha. Tha say thatera. Da. Damaru. Small line curve. Da say damaru. Dha say dhakkan. Dha say dhakkan. Don't bring it out. When you are writing dha say dhakkan, you just stop it. Curve it and stop like this. Understand? And again I'll show you. Just stop like this. Okay? Dha. This is ana se khali. Okay. Next one. Ta. Tha. Tha se tarbooj. Tha se thermos. Tha se thermos. Da se darwaja. Dha se dhanush. Na se nal. Pa se patang. फ से फल. ब से बतख. भ से भालू. म से मछली. Okay. Now the last row. Okay. Now listen here. Ya se yagna. Ra se rassi. La se laddu. Okay. This is va se vak. Sh se sharbat. Sha se षटकोण. सा से सब्जी. हा से हल. Last year I had shown you how to write the ha letter. See, look at here. This is ha. Okay. Ksha. This is tra. This is nya. Okay. Ni se khali. So, how many rows do you have in Vyanjan? First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row and sixth row. So, first row, ka to gnya. Second row, cha to ni. Third row, ta to ana. Fourth row, ta to na. Fifth row, pa to ma. And sixth row is 11 letters are there. Ya, ra, la, va, she, sha, sa, ha, ksha, tra, nya. Listen here. Once again I will show you. Look at here. First row. Okay. First row. 5 letters. Ka, kha, ga, gha, ni. Take out the again right hand. Second row. Second row. How many letters? 5 letters. Cha, cha, ja, jha, ni. Third row. Third row, 5 letters. Again, ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Fourth row, 5 letters. Okay. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Fifth row, 5 letters. Pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. So, 5 rows, 5 letters. 5 rows, 5 letters. Each row, 5 letters. And you should not miss and follow the row. You should not do any clumsy. Okay. Don't write the letters very so near and without any finger gap space. It look very awkward, children. Please, children, place the finger gap and write. You follow the correct row. Then it looks very good handwriting. Okay, children. The next one, very most thing is, okay, writing part is not a big issue. Here you will do n number of mistakes while writing these letters. Ka, cha. So many differences are there. You have seen it. I'll show you the differences. Look at here. Tha and ya. And I'll show you all the differences. When you are writing this ka to nya letters, you should be very careful, children. You must be very careful while writing. Okay. So many children, they don't know the differences. What they will do, bha and ma, they'll make it same. Ya and tha. That is, so you have to place some difference between the letters, children. Okay. Now listen here. I'll show you the differences. Okay. First I'll show you the difference for you. Tha. Okay. This is tha. Straight line. Give a small line. This is tha. Tha say thermos. Th say thermos. Okay. Now for next one, the difference is ya. Ya say yagna. For this you are going to touch the complete line. You are giving the complete line for the letter. This is ya. Look at the difference now. Now we are going to see the bha. Again straight line. Give a small line. This is bha. For ma, you are placing the complete line. This is ma. When you are writing dha, this is dha. And don't cover the letter like this. This is wrong. And there is a letter difference. Gha. Gha say ghada. Here you should not turn it. Without turning, you should write. This is gha say ghada. This is dha say dhanush. See, look at the difference, all of you children. Okay. When you are writing this letter kha, don't, when you are writing kha and you will do it like this, you will take the double turn. No, this is wrong. Okay. When you are writing, go up, ऊपर जाओ, फिर नीचे आना, फिर उसके बाद घुमा लीजिए. ये रहा ख. धा और घ में अंतर देखो, डिफरेंस देखो. भा और म में इसका अंतर देख लीजिए. था और या में अंतर देखना. Okay, अंतर means difference. See the differences. How I had shown you. The next one is, okay, when you write, come to the letter of sha. Sha say sharbat. Please children, I had seen so many children, they'll write like this. Okay, no, this is wrong. Sha should be written, it should be written like this. This is the sha. Look at here. Take a small line and curve it. This is sha. Okay. And ha. Now, ha, I had seen so many children. Some children will write like this ha. I don't know what is this way. This is in which way this is correct, I don't know. But n number of children are doing this practice of writing this ha. Otherwise, they will do like this. I don't know. This is also another style. For me, this is all wrong. The correct ha letter is ha se hal. Give a small line and complete the letter like this stroke. One small line, bend it, again backward. This I had shown you last year. I had given n number of times practice. Ha se hal. How to write. Half, again take the half turn, move back. Again you should take back. Come back and take the curve. Small line, half curve, come back. That's it. This is ha. Got it now? For ksha you can write. This is the ksha. Okay. For tra, yes, you can write. For ni, gnya se gnyani. Gnya se gnyani. Okay. For va and ba also you can see the differences, children. Va and bha. Va means only without giving any midline. For ba you are placing the ba se batak one small line. Okay, children. Any other doubts? You have done. For please children, one thing you will do, I had seen last year, so many children know, they are placing this dot. I don't know what is this, which letter, which subject we are learning. We are learning Hindi. Then why you are placing this tha in the mid of the letter tha, dot, I don't understand. When you are learning Hindi, don't be confused. Telugu letters are totally different, Hindi letters are different. Okay. So here you are not having any double phone sounds. All single tone sounds. See here. One single tone, first letter is less sound, second you are stressing the letter. Short sound and again big sounds. Okay, short and big sound, just keep the difference. That you have to recollect the sound. You should have to understand the letter of the sound. K means you are giving the short sound. K, you are giving the second letter stress. Th, third letter G, that's it. Fourth letter, again you are giving a more stress. G. Isn't it? So, while writing, please keep all those differences between the letters and write very neatly and follow the rows, finger gap space and write neatly. Make it as a homework 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Only you are writing 2 times. Why I am giving 2 times? Not for to scribble, to write very neat handwriting. And I will check your Hindi class notebook when school reopens. Okay. So you maintain only one Hindi class notebook. Don't use rough note, any diaries, school diaries or any other rough diaries. Okay. Okay. Please don't use any other books. Use a broad rule notebook and maintain the good handwriting. Put on the today's date, session 1. Everything should be updated in the classwork. I will check your class notebooks when school reopens. Don't say I wrote in that notebook, teacher, this notebook. No, I'm sorry. I don't want any excuses, children, please. I know you will follow my words, you will do it. Okay? Surely, please write neat handwriting, children. Follow the letters and write very neatly. How I am wrote. How I wrote on the board, you see it. जैसा मैं लिखी उसे देखकर वैसे ही अपने कॉपी में कॉपी कीजिए. समझे ना? Copy means in Hindi, your class of notebook. Okay? Now, in what I mean to say, don't leave any line, children. If you leave the line, you will get more confused. Without leaving a line, you place only simple finger gap space and write. You will come to know that the correct rows, all the letters will be on the formation. Is it clear, children? Okay. Come on, you write it. Classwork 1 time, homework 2 times. Okay, children? And do it if you have the time, you can do it in the rub book also practice. Do it in the rub book practice. Whenever tomorrow morning again you practice in the rub book also. You will recollect all the letters and you will recollect all the pictures what you learned last year, isn't it? जो last year आप लोग पढ़े थे ना, उसे फिर से उसे याद करो. जो पिक्चर्स से अनार मम्मा चिपका है आपके बुक में है ना, लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट बुक में है था ना आपका. You have your project book, isn't it? Do you remember your project books? We used to paste it, no? Charts we had pasted. A se anar, a se am, e se mili, like that. Here we are not pasting any pictures. We are not doing any project work. Just we are writing in the classwork. Okay? आप लोग इसे कॉपी कर लेना और आराम से लिखो बैठकर. Okay? कोई जल्दबाजी मत करो. Don't make a hurry worry. Don't write it in the very clumsy. Please, children. Come on, note down. Thank you, children. Bye bye. We'll see you tomorrow next session. Okay? Bye.